Jai Hind and a very good morning to everyone. The topic of my lecturate is sexual harassment at workplace. Before starting the sexual harassment at workplace, I would like to deal with the very famous movement relating to the sexual harassment, that is Me Too movement. The Me Too movement started back in 2003 where a social activist from America posted on a social media platform using the hashtag MeToo. The Tarana Byrne, she wanted to help the sexual assault and sexual harassment victims by using this MeToo hashtag. The main objective in the mind of the social activists that this movement will give the people more education about the sexual harassment related issue and then make it more intolerant toward these kinds of acts, and it will also give courage to the victims to come out and share their stories and give them belief that they are not being judged and they are being believed. In 2017, this movement got worldwide attention after the tweet of famous actress from Hollywood, where she tweeted on her Twitter handle that I am being subjected to sexual harassment, and if you are being subjected to the sexual harassment too, please use hashtag MeToo. After her one tweet, many Hollywood actresses shared their story on different social media platforms, and majority of them accused one very famous producer of Hollywood that they have been subjected to sexual harassment at their workplace by him. After that, not only Hollywood, Bollywood, many other industries where women work came and shared their sexual harassment story, that how they have been harassed by their employers. Now, why it becomes very important to understand the meaning of sexual harassment and why a movement, nationwide and worldwide movement was needed to give power to the women who were subjected to such kind of harassment. If we talk about the difference between rape and sexual harassment, then generally the rape is considered as more heinous crime, and the people are very lenient about the crimes which are done in context of sexual harassment. Because in sexual harassment, even a small gesture, a sexually colored remark is also considered as sexual harassment. For example, if an employer or if any person touches the woman with an intention of sexual pleasure, then it is also considered as sexual assault. And if, for example, if the woman is shown porn without her consent, that also consists of sexual harassment. So therefore, the society thinks that such small incidents also constitute sexual harassment. Therefore, it is not such a heinous crime, and it is okay to take these kind of acts very generally. But the main motto of the movement was that to sensitize people and to make them very intolerant regarding such kind of issues. So this Me Too movement helped the women to realize that they are not alone, and their story matters, and they should come, and the victims should be accountable for what they have done, whether small or heinous in nature, and they won't be judged and they won't be misunderstood for what they have been gone through, and finally they'll be trusted. So if we talk about the major changes which were brought by this Me Too movement, firstly, the people who have done such kind of acts were made accountable, irrespective of the years they have done it when. Maybe they might have done it 10 years down the line, but now if the story has come to the society, now they are being accountable for what they have done. Secondly, there was a deterrent effect in the society. The people, even the richest producers were being exposed by this movement, so people were deterrent, and they have that deterrent factor in their minds. If they can be exposed, we can be exposed too. And finally, the major thing which this movement has done for the women, that they have empowered them, they have liberalized them psychologically. Now the woman doesn't have to suffer in silence, and they can come and they know they will be trusted for whatever they say. But the problem which Me Too movement has created, and it should be dealt with, is the problem which the persons have faced which were innocent. The movement have got so much of attention worldwide that even the fake news, accusations were made on very gentlemen persons, and their life were destroyed. So major question which was raised by society, that what impact incident which took 30 years back will make on a person's life today. He might be a totally changed person, and just because of one incident coming to social media and in society will totally make his life miserable now. And also so many reports shows that specifically in America now the employers are very reluctant in employing the women in such kind of post where there is need of personal interaction, and also they are very reluctant in employing those kind of women who are very attractive, because they have a fear that the Me Too movement can be used against them at any point of time. So finally, I would conclude that the women should understand that Me Too movement is not a weapon in their hands. Moreover, it is an instrument to liberate their pain, and it is an instrument to give them more power, and they need not to suffer in silence anymore. Thank you.